Welcome back on this Friday. Time for better tech tips. It is a dangerous place out there on the World Wide Web.
Here with us today with tips to keep you safe is Dan Prager of
My first day on TV.
The mirth involved.
We can't believe what camera to go to. You know,
It's been a long week.
We don't trust anyone right now. We gotta know what's going on.
Well, I was going to talk about something malevolent, but since we're giggling, maybe I should. Maybe we should
that'll
go to something
lessen
more
the blow.
fun.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So deep fake videos. This is the latest horror that's out there. So yeah, deep fake videos. So what they are is they're videos that superimpose the face of a politician or a celebrity or your boyfriend on another person, and it looks very real. And they use artificial intelligence, machine learning, so that they can make this thing look absolutely incredibly perfect. And the reason they do this primarily is to create videos to cause
an uproar.
Cause an uproar, right? Exactly. So, like, you had some of this in the Russian fake news where they, took out a Facebook page representing one position and then another position that was diametrically opposed to it, just to cause further dissension and an uproar, as you pointed out. But now these videos are getting to the point where it's almost impossible to tell a real one from a fake one.
Wow.
Because the technology is so amazing. I mean, you think about what Photoshop can do with a photo. This does it with a video. So the person's actually moving and speaking and doing all of these things, and it looks like it's there, but it isn't. It's
and
someone
their
completely
voice,
different.
too.
And it's their voice, yeah.
That's amazing. We see some of the technology, if I'm hearing you correctly, in Hollywood movies.
Yes.
They've done this sometimes when they need to reprise a role or they have to age or euthanize that's the wrong word. Make the actor look younger. Again,
I think that's illegal. I just want to point out. I'm not sure.
Depends on what actor. But you know what I mean? They use the computer graphics over the face.
Generated ones.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And sometimes
But
it's
so
done
much
so
money
well
in
you
that.
can't even tell.
Yes. So the problem with this is that, of course, this is designed for a malevolent purpose. It's not designed as a special effect, and no one is actually euthanized in the process.
No kidding.
But what happens is I mean, I saw one. I saw them how they made one. They had a particular one where they had on a split screen. So they had former President Obama speaking, and he was saying things that were incredibly uncharacteristic of former President Obama. And then on the other side of the split screen was an actor who was doing it.
Does the actor have to look similar to the person?
Not really.
Or it doesn't even matter?
Not really. I mean, this specific actor happened to be African American, but you wouldn't have to be. Yeah, and you really wouldn't have to be, because what it was basically was, it was the person's wearing a suit and speaking and using the exact mannerisms. That's really all he did, was he mimicked the tone and the mannerisms of President Obama speaking, but had him saying completely at odds types of things. So this is something that's being utilized primarily right now for fake news, and it's generated specifically in order to cause dissension and cause problems out there. And it just underscores why it's so important to fact check everything that you see, because the way it works on social networking, as you know, you could hit thousands or millions of people with this particular video in a half an hour. And then how many people share it? How many people look at something on Facebook and just hit share?
Especially if it's out of the ordinary and they want to believe that this is what that political figure.
I'm always amazed at some of the things that people share and believe on the internet. You look at them and say, clearly this can't be right or true.
Share for $1 million.
But if they share it with 20 million people and even 1% of those folks believe it, that's in itself a large number.
And it's still getting out there,
Exactly, and we're all aware of confirmation bias and how that works. So if you see something that reinforces your ideology, then you're going to hit share maybe without checking it. So just check everything is what I would say.
Good info.